Imagine rewinding the universe, faster, faster until we're at the very beginning. 4.5 billion years ago, Earth wasn't the blue marble you know, it was chaos. It was a swirling cloud of dust gas left over from an ancient exploded star. Gravity pulled this mess together, clumping, smashing, heating up until finally a molten ball was born. That's Earth's first breath, but things only got wilder. Not long after, a Mars-sized rock slammed into young Earth. The impact was so violent it blasted out debris that circled the planet and eventually formed our moon. That moon, it's still up there, quietly tugging at our tides, a silent witness to Earth's wild childhood. As the planet cooled, volcanoes raged, spewing gases that built our first atmosphere. It wasn't exactly breathable, more like a toxic soup. But over millions of years, water vapor condensed. Rain fell and fell and fell until oceans pooled across the surface. And then, something miraculous happened. Somewhere in those ancient seas, the first life sparked. Maybe it was a bolt of lightning or heat from a deep-sea vent. However it happened, simple cells, tiny, tough, and hungry, began to multiply. For nearly 2 billion years, these humble microbes ruled the world. But life is relentless. Some microbes figured out how to use sunlight to make food, photosynthesis. They released oxygen as waste, slowly transforming Earth's atmosphere. Oxygen was poison for most early life, but it set the stage for something new. Fast forward 1 billion years. Cells learned to work together, forming the first multicellular organisms. Soon the oceans teemed with strange creatures, jellyfish, trilobites, the first fish. Plants crept onto land, followed by bugs, then amphibians crawling out of the water. Dinosaurs thundered across the continents, then vanished in a flash when a giant rock from space struck. Mammals took over. Some climbed trees, grew bigger brains, and millions of years later, one of them looked up at the stars and wondered, how did I get here? That's us. Humans, shaping the planet in ways no other species ever has. We built cities, wrote stories, even left footprints on the moon. But our story is still being written. Now, let's jump to the near future, 2100. By then, Earth will have changed again. Our choices today, how we treat the planet, each other, the life around us, will decide what that future looks like. Will we protect our home or push it to the brink? From stardust to smartphones, from single cells to civilizations, Earth's journey is epic. And the next chapter, that's up to us.